Check that out. Yeah. I wanted to show you that last time, but it didn't work out. So, oh, everyone, this is Rocket Jeff Maycheck. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Ooh, I got a bunch of new people. Um, Anna Maria Garcia. So, Margie! Had to do it. Wow. Shoot, I need to write your name down. But, wow. Hello. How's everyone doing? What you doing? Oh boy, lawnmowers. So, okay, so here's the plan. Obviously, yesterday I cut them on. If you notice across the street, it's not high anymore. Yeah, so I got all that done. Oh, might as well get the shovel. I gotta clean up my mess. Yes, clean up the mess. Later on, I'm gonna write the names down for those who left comment in my last video, and I will definitely give you a shout out. So, I gotta get the shovel out. Why do I gotta get a shovel out? Well, I gotta do a job today. Oh no, it's actually, look at a nice breeze. That's comfortable. I always like when I get a nice breeze when you're doing something. We're going to be doing a lot of digging. So, yep, that's what we're doing. So, all right. Lodi's out there. Lodi Lynn and everyone. So here's the plan. I suppose we have to dig. And we're going to dig all this out. Going to dig up in here. And my mom's got buckets of compost. So we're going to start putting some compost in the ground. So that is the plan for today. So let's say hello to Sam. So say hi, Sam. As in Samantha. Oh, good girl. Good girl. So we're going to have to start moving some of these things out of the way. And I'll show you what it looks like after I get everything taken care of. Nope, not so heavy. Yes, we're going to grow rocks. Actually, these were stepping stones that an old neighbor gave us. Well, that one's a little heavier. Ooh, that is definitely a little heavier. Yeah. So obviously I can't dig with a phone in my hand. So I don't know how she expects me to dig this because you got a lot of roots in here. So see it? Can't really dig with one hand because then the phone's gonna get knocked off. So it's gonna be a hole. So and down there should be pretty easy because I've actually dug down there before. Before we ever had this wall, none of this fence was here. And when we first moved here, none of these houses were here. All back there had nothing but a field. I know you can't see what I'm doing. Jump! So, watch out for landmines. But all back there used to be nothing but fields. None of this was there. The house next door wasn't there. It was just nothing. I could ride my bike through, and Mom said, "Oh, I want you to take these flowers and spread out the flowers." So I said, "Okay." And she's like, "Why do you put those flowers in the people's yard?" I said, "What are you talking about?" She says, "That's not our property." I said, "It's not." She's like, "No." I said, "Oh." I said, "Okay, well then the neighbor's going to have some nice flowers." Obviously the flowers didn't stay because, well, you got fenced them. Whoa! Wind's blowing me away. I gotta get more tools. Oh, this wind's so, it's getting me. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, anyway, everyone. See you in the next upload. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and keep on stomping. And make sure you have plenty to drink and put your sunblock on, which is what I'm going to do. Oh, these batteries are fully charged. So, all right. Beep to you too, buddy. All right. Probably going to need a rake too. All these are going to have to come out. When do you want all these tools to come out?
Whenever you want.
All right, because... All right. See you in the next upload. Thank you for watching. And watch out for those lawnmowers. They'll get you. They'll get you.